Here is a student tutorial on how to use the assignment Dropbox to submit assignments. Now there's two different locations you can access to submit assignments. First is when you're on your English course page, you can go to the Tools icon and click on Assignments. And then you can find any folders there waiting for submissions. So the only one we have listed so far at the time of this video is the Mother to Son written response. So if you'd like to submit there, you click on it. And then see here it says it add a file. So you click on add a file. Go to your computer where you have your file saved and click upload. So then you find the file you'd like to submit. Let's pretend it's this one. Click open and add. And so you can see it listed right there. And then if you'd like to type any comments to your teacher, like this was a great assignment, I really enjoyed it, you can do that in a space below, and then you click submit. And that will submit that assignment. The other thing that you can do is when you're actually in your content and working through your daily lessons, the assignment Dropbox is also listed there for you. So let's say you're in Unit 1 and you're on Friday, August 24th, which is the due date for the Mother to Son response. And so you click on that date, all your instructions are here, the writing prompt is here for you, and there's also a link to the Dropbox here so you can access it directly. Once again, you click on that link and you do the same thing. Click add a file, go to your computer and find your file. If you have any questions about how to submit your assignment, please contact your teacher as soon as possible.